cannot stop this track. Done. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's 7:30. Oh, sharp. In Amsterdam, we are going to work again on Densha. This app tracking your speed and everything. Alors, the funny part is that after the stream on Tuesday, I needed to go to Rotterdam, so I used it and tested it, and it worked pretty well. So I was super happy about this. I discovered a couple of stuff also because we trying to play with the. But it's not playing, but it's using the add button we built together actually on Tuesday. Was not the best experience, so I thought that maybe we should improve a bit this. So I worked a bit, but not much because my week was a bit busy. Today I think I'm gonna stream until 10, but we'll see. We'll see, because I need to go to Rotterdam again. Well, I need. It's not mandatory, but I think I should go for a lot of reasons. Anyway, I changed a bit my layout. So now when I'm sharing something, it's full screen. So you should see stuff a bit better. If I'm doing this like this, it should be okay. Removing this preview, we don't need it for now. It's a bit small again, huh? Yeah, it's still a bit small. And what if I'm doing this? No, it's not changing anything because there is the other view under it. Okay, well, I thought it was better, but it's not. And we are going to start. I've started to work with the session, yeah. To have focus for a couple of minutes. Because like a lot of people, I don't know if I have ADHD, but I'm not able to focus. I'm able to, sorry, it's both, being able to focus and not being able to focus. It's a bit weird. Anyway. So our attention is today to work on Densha, sorry. And well, let me show you before everything, because right now we are just starting. So we are in metrics right now. Let's remove this. So it's working well, and we still have our view here with the detail and everything. You can edit the note. Well, this needs to be improved, definitely. And that's it. And here, now, when you're tapping on it, you have a small feedback on the top, you see. This is not optimized. I think it's too fast. There is a delay. It's short, but I think we can improve a bit this. So that's more or less what we are gonna do. To start with, today, I'm gonna remove a bit of this. So animation feedback, right?
De ma chambre et il traverse.
Ok.
Et il utilise ça.
Hein?
Ça pour. Il dit que ça c'est pour monter et ça c'est pour descendre.
Ouais.
C'est bizarre.
Sorry, the door is not closed, so I will have to do it. I'm gonna skip the breath for now. This is gonna go away. Let's start. So first I need to recall how I did the animation, because it was a couple of days ago. So on there is a function for it. I think there is a function for it. Camera, alors, compass speed, yes. So it's giving a feedback. That's the one I wanted to see here. And I'm gonna do this because we have 7. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, so it means that we have this animation starting, and I think I'm using the list button. Exactly. This animation is okay. How the fuck am I managing the... Because if I'm toggling it here, where did I put the toggle off? So this one is removing this one. Okay. Sorry, I'm stupid because it's here. Okay, so that's good. But this should be longer. That's what I'm thinking. Let's add a bit of seconds. I think the music is too What did I do? No, it's good. Maybe like this. Okay. It's too fast. A lot too fast. Wait, I'm not sure it's the one I should remove because this is the one removing everything. This is going to be tricky because it means that we need to adjust a lot of... Right. That's a bit more. Perfect. I should maybe reduce a bit the scaling up, right? Scale effect from 0.5 to 3.2. Let's do this. So then also it's gonna reduce the animation, the time of the animation, I guess. The duration. No, it's not big enough. I don't know if it's enough as feedback. I have no clue because the I don't know, make me think. Actually, we need to define an empty state for this one. Well, I'm gonna commit this first. Animation, duration, and adjustments. Boom. Okay, for that, we are gonna check what is on the plate. List view empty state, speed button feedback, that's what we did. Text feedback when the speed is under 5 km/h. Yeah, because this button shouldn't do anything. Not this one, sorry. On top. Right, that's what I'm gonna do actually. So we have now view model called global view model, and this one I think I'm gonna use it. Oh, I don't need an environment object for doing this. Think, Jeremy, think. So on tab gesture we have a record here. Oh, let's do it. Private var message. Will we have other something else? Well, we don't know. Well, this is definitely not 5. This is definitely not 5. So how can I adjust this actually? Because displaying the speed in metrics, it's multiplied. So it should be this, right? No, I'm writing here 3.6. So yes, it's there, I think. So one. Is yes, you're doing this, otherwise you're not doing anything. Mais non, oh là 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 là. If we don't have any speed, we cannot have the record right. Well, the tricky part is going to be able to and else. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Message. I shouldn't do this because now we have multiple language and it's gonna be annoying. Localizable. So we have onboarding menu, status and message. Perfect. Slow speed. Okay, for this here. In French, vous allez... Non, tu vas. Trop lentement. Okay, so this is going to replace the message, but not displaying it. Not display it, sorry. Message is here. Display message. Okay. I like to I'm a bit picky with that, but I like to define the type of variable. I think it's easier to read even if we don't have to. Display message toggle and dispatch visits. Uh, 2 seconds. Well, 2 seconds is a lot. Let's do it and try it this way. Except that now we are not displaying anything. Display message. I think I should create a component for this new file. Message, yes, it's a component. Thank you. So we will have the message, which is a string. I think it should be nice to add a color on it. That's it. Maybe an icon. The camera, as usual. That's it, right? Am I missing anything? No, I think it's okay. So we'll have the message. Okay, I want this here, message. You are going too slow. color orange is enough? And that's the good question. What? It's not a warning, it's just information, right? For this one, let's try this. Let's go. Okay. Ah, I have another idea actually. Right, let's do this. Like this. Dot rounded. I want a background, and the background I want to have materials, regular material, voila. But before we need to have a padding, and it should be, could be nice to have a bit of music too. What did I? No, it was this one. Is it playing? Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, there is a small stuff like this. It's just for this. Seriously. I'm looking for like a random place. Oh, gosh. Anyway, we have our message here, and I would like to have a corner radius of 10, let's say. Come on, preview. I forgot the color. Okay, and mais non. Should be a label. Voilà. This is better. Now on our compass here, so we have our display message, which is becoming with okay. So it means that here, which one is it? The on tap gesture is this one. No. Well, I'm gonna try it actually. Oh fuck. Ah yes, no, it's okay. The message is message. The color is orange. The icon is this one. Well, except that we have something that is not working, yeah, because this is a string. Alright, let's go. You should display the message. No, because I'm not. I cannot try it on the preview. Taking a break. And of course my Stream Deck app is offline. Well, I hope it's gonna work well. Well, let's skip the break. Oh, putain. So now it's not animation feedback, but message. Hello, Papa Bean. Message feedback. Allez, let's run this. Ah. Ah, yes, of course the message is empty because the speed is not good. It's because of this. Well, this I will have to play with it because I have no clue. Overlay. Our things, they are pretty good, man. So if the speed is less than this, we are displaying this message with the message and the function. I've never really seen Swift development. Ah, nice. Well, I don't know if I'm really still a noob. Huh? It's probably not the best code that you can you will see out there. Let's run this to see if our message is no longer displayed. Okay, good. Ah, no, I have an idea to display the message. I just need to do this custom location. And this should stop. Bam! But the message is not displayed, so something is wrong. Because first the message should be displayed only when I'm tapping. Compass speed. Ah yeah, mais non. Ah mais oui, stupid Jeremy, stupid, because you have a state for a display message. If display message, you're displaying the message. Yeah, there is a lot of people focused on React right now. It's a bit, it's all over the place. Okay, so you are not displaying anything. Boom! And it's removing, but we still don't have our fucking message. What the fuck is happening with that? Message is changing to slow speed. Maybe I should use the environment object for it. And I'm changing this before. What the fuck is happening? My localizable string is here. Maybe to check if the localizable string is working, I'm gonna add it here. Message this. Okay, so my localizable string is working. I wanted to go get into view instead, but it's already fought with me, so I kind of gave up and get. Well, I think you can do more stuff with React, to be honest. Vue is just a CMS for content and website. With React, you can even build apps. So it's React Native, the name of it, right? I'm not a cross-platform fan, so my knowledge is quite limited on this. So we have this, and why the fuck? We are changing the message to this. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? It's gonna be easier. Nightbot is weird. It's saying nothing for a while and suddenly, boom. Okay, so why the fuck I don't have the message? I'm thinking of something. I'm thinking that I don't have the message, but I probably have it. Oh, what the fuck is happening again? Is it better? Ah ha 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 ha. Well done. Okay, so the position of the message is not super nice. So this, I'm gonna put it on the frame itself. Let's try it. Okay. Actually, I should... Yeah, I can do it this way, actually. That's enough. So the position of it is wrong. Cannot find message in scope. Ah, yeah, sorry. Oh, okay, I'm keeping it. Because it's better, it's easier to read this way. I think there is an alignment stuff for. Okay, that's not the. Is it position or alignment? I saw this yesterday. Yeah, just this. This is an example. Overlay. You see? Can I do this? Top. Oh, that's the tricky part. Mais non. It should be here. Fuck. No, that's his project. So overlay. Is it something? This one? No, it's a SwiftUI thing. Overlay, alignment. Jérémy. I think I know why. Yes, I know why. Okay, I have it. That's not should be, that's here. Because we have this. So this is going here. And this is going here. And then it will work. Oh, what the fuck? It should work, I don't understand. but the alignment doesn't work. Maybe I can remove this too. Top be ouais, but top on what? On this VStack. Ah yeah, but the VStack is just a text, so of course it's not working. Yeah, that's why. But because of what we have, so this is a full VStack of the string. This is an error. Ah yeah, fuck. Can I do this? Can I do this? The else is this one. Okay, and on this I'm doing this. Maybe. Ah, okay, so we are a bit higher, but it's still not enough. No, actually I need to. Ah yeah, but that's just the speed, this one, so of course it's not enough, because it's just the indication of it. Okay, so what I did wasn't enough. Oh, sorry, Papa Bean, I didn't see the you're relatively new to web development and stuff, but made a lot of progress recently. Nice! Nice. Is it your daily job already, or just learning and I don't know, you're at school, or I don't know what. I guess if you're calling yourself Papa Bean, you're a bit old enough. So this is not working. This is annoying. I'm gonna keep it on the top of it, because it means that if we have to display something else, we can. Minus 100, boom. Okay. Well, there is a lot of job with React right now. It's all over the place, so I guess at some point it will work for you. Where are you based? You're not going faster enough. Okay, and the speed is not added, so this is good. Now I need to find a way. Early 20s in the US, cool. I'm planning to go in the US, hopefully in April. I don't know if I will be able to do this, if Corona will allow me to do this. I have a good friend of mine, even one of my best friends, living in New York, and I've not been there for like 3 years now, almost 3 years, and I would like to go back. Where are you in the US? Dispatch. Where is the display message toggle? Here we go. I need to deep dive a bit with this animation thing. Colorado, okay. It's funny because I grew up in Europe, you know, I'm French, as you can probably hear. Nice. So it's displayed. Ah, time for a break. I think this background sound is too high. I grew up in Europe, so for me all these Colorado thing, I just have the picture in movies and stuff like that, you know, so that's a bit funny. I'm really I've never been really interested to see US, because it's all over. This country is all over the place. So you're watching a movie, you're watching television, you're full of US. Yeah, it's keep it simple for people. Yeah, but Colorado, I know where is it the map and what kind of layout you can have in this area. So that's nice, which is super nice actually. But I've never been there. Maybe one day I will have I don't know, have a trip. I would say Colorado is something you'd have to see in person. Yeah, I think I fully agree with you. I need to go there and see it, and to experience and see the beautiful landscape, because this area is really beautiful. That's one of the stuff I need. I was until now I was more attracted by Asia, so I've traveled most of the time there, which is also a super good area, a nice area, easy to travel. People are super nice. Well, you can find douchebag like everywhere else, but yeah, I come to see Europe. There is so much compared to US, Europe. It's more an historical kind of travel. If you're interested in this, I know that for me, if I really do like seeing old things, so castle, buildings, cities. Lived in Paris for like 18 years. Now I'm living in Amsterdam, and it's also I need to live in an area with a big historical thing. Turkey is nice also. I traveled not for a long time, but I saw Istanbul for like 4 days, I think it was. Just going through the city, it's super beautiful. Well, this one for history, it's fucking charge of stuff. It's really nice. I don't know how it is to travel there right now, because for me it was 15 years ago. I think even more than this actually. I forgot. But I really do love this. Loved seeing this city and going around, and it's really nice. Well, I don't think you will have to wait for the next decade. Especially if you're fucking camera. Sorry. Especially if you're in the development area, you will be able to travel pretty fast, I guess. Good luck with establishing yourself, man. I'm 46. I'm still establishing myself. It's a life work to find yourself. By the way, I've started, for the people on the Discord, I've started a new channel called Wellbeing, where I'm posting some stuff. So I can did I open Discord? Yes, I opened Discord. Thanks for the follow, Papa Bean. What I was saying, where is the fucking channel so on the Discord, I've started this well-being channel where I'm posting a couple of stuff. Oh, by the way, that's something I'm gonna do now before to go back to the code. On my Twitter yesterday, I think I kept it in the bookmark. Yeah, this one was a super nice article. So my admittedly hardcore work routine. I have ADHD. I think I'm kind of the same. It's a superpower or not. It really depends. It depends on the context most of the time. So he's working with kind of framework like this, And I thought that it was a super nice article, so I'm gonna do it now, actually. Share it on the Discord. Voila. Let's go back to code now. First we are evolving as a person. So what's true for you right now won't be true in a couple of years. I would be surprised because we are all different. So I would be really surprised that it's working for you. Alors, okay, it's not working like this. So I'm gonna do it there. Else, okay. And I'm gonna do it here. The with animation stuff on SwiftUI is sometimes a bit weird. Let's give it a try. Oh crap, sorry for the blinking screen. So we have animation, perfect. Bon, I need to, because I would like to see the message, you know, sliding up. Bon, I don't know if you're hearing the noise, but it's time to go to school here in the Netherlands, so kids outside are shouting before to go to their bike. Am I sharing the right screen? Yes, SwiftUI with animation, because I want to Oh, that's super nice. No, but by creating a state and changing. Oh, it's annoying. That's the one I was looking for. Okay. I'm experimenting, huh? Don't. I have no clue what I'm doing. This is not looking good. Bon, I'm gonna just do an easy in, out, and a bit longer to remove the... Exactly, that's exactly what I'm doing. That's a good... Okay, and boom, perfect. 5 seconds. The kid is going to school. Okay, so then this animation, the sound is again going bad. Oh, perfect. That's good feedback. And let's see if I'm doing location freeway drive. So now we are moving. And it's working. Perfect. Perfect. That's sorry, that's I need to document a bit this because Okay. I think we are good. That's annoying because this should be I should define the color and the message and the message no, but the color and the and this based on the kind of error that we have, which is right now the record, not a record, speed, not enough speed. This stuff should do this, basically. Okay. No. 1.450 seconds. Okay. Not enough speed message. What did we have? We have created a template of message. New dedicated view for displaying feedback messages. Adding statement in speed record function to trigger the message if the speed is too slow. And that's enough. And that's enough. Alors, GitHub. Text feedback when the speed is under 5 km/h. That's done. We can close this issue. Alors, we have a date formatting. Yeah, we have a date formatting because here date, not date formatting, date formatting. Date formatting here. And I think I can do it pretty easily. That's a list item detail. Here we go. Oh, fuck. I was expecting something like medium or something. Oh, fuck. And formatting date is so complicated. Ouais. Fuck. Oh là là. Oh, that's not this. Bon, we have a date formatter. Ah, here we go. How can I... From date. Alors. There is something for the coming from the system. Let me check. I have this in the view model, I think, for settings. It's local, but I don't know if it's not local. Attends. Ah, give me a sec. That's this. Now you should be happy. Ah, fuck. Ah, langage code. It's not this. Available identifier is your region codes. So that's not the one from the... Point first. Oh, fuck. It's not there? Ah. And this? Okay. And I'm gonna take the US one if we don't have anything as fallback. Okay. Okay. And you're returning date formatter. I forgot. Date formatter dot string from speed detail dot date value. Oh, where is the date? Where is the date? Where is the date? That's the one. Actually, I don't need this at all. I can do it this way. Let's give it a try. Oh la 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 la. So my phone is in the US. That's perfect. Except that we don't have this. Short? Maybe medium. Well, no, medium, we will have the seconds with it, right? Oh, that's perfect. Maybe short is enough. Oh la la. I'm super happy. That was faster and easier than expected. Commit. Push. Alors, let's, before our break, because the break is coming in 1 minute, let's go in the designs. So, what I'm planning to do, if I can, my pad is really annoying sometimes. So this is what we have right now, and this is, I've started to work on the detail view, but I'm not ready yet. And we have also the empty state here that maybe we can do now. And that's the only these new designs I have, I think. There is also something I'm asking myself to fit with these new designs. Should we have this customized back button here? Because for now I'm using the native ones, and they are great. Don't get me wrong, but I'm asking myself if it should, if it won't be better to have them in a different way, for fitting a bit kind of rounded graphical language that we are using, because we are using the well, except for nav bars, because we cannot modify the typo there yet, without rebuilding the whole thing, that I'm not gonna do. Yeah, I don't know. I'm asking myself a lot of questions around this. So we are not going to do this afterwards. We are going to work on the content. Let me select first. because I'm gonna pick up the content from Shubi, my other app. View, menu. The developer. I think I understood why my Markdown doesn't work on the... yeah, that's pretty sure. Because on text view, you don't need to specify an NS localizable string. SwiftUI is doing it itself. That's a mistake I'm doing, I think. Yeah, that's probably the mistake I'm doing. We should maybe change music, right? I like this kind of peaceful music, but I don't know for a stream if it's the best one to have. Let's share. Let's find something. Well, let's do this one. Yeah, that's better. What are you streaming? Oh, it's too loud, Jeremy, too loud. Variety Gaming. Nice. I'm gonna go to your stream after mine to check your channel. I think I would love to have a lot of obscure games. There is a lot of like dark stuff, or maybe it's me because I'm watching more streams now than before. But there is a lot of going on in this area. I think I saw a couple of things recently, like not really escape games, but stuff really dark and oh, welcome to the Discord, Papa Bean. I just saw your introduction message. I should maybe add something about self-promoting, but I'm not sure that people are really interesting to this. What the fuck is happening? Oh, I was concerned because my feedback screen. Why cube escape? Why these kind of things? Yeah, it's happening a lot right now. It's happening a lot. What's next? We are going to do some content. Densha content. Breathe in. Breathe out. This is the content I want. So this is the French one. So this one is Shubi, my other app, which is already in the store. Why the fuck this stuff is stopping by itself? That's interesting. That's really interesting. Sorry, because my feedback screen is starting to be fucked up. Well, I don't know. So where? I've been streaming a bit more recently. I've gotten some subs. Oh, nice. That's nice. That's always better when you have like a reason for streaming, I guess. Alors, the developer in French. This one I can close it. It will free a bit of memory. And my strings are here. This is the menu developer content in English. And this is the one. That's not good, Jeremy. Just pick up the string, please. Zit. Chat to friend at random time. I mostly been to chat to friends at random times. Just distress and take my mind off the... Yeah, you need to have breaks. It's definitely should exist for now. So this is not related at all. No, I'm gonna keep this break here. Okay, menu developer. So what's happening out there? Where did I put the menu? I think there is a component for the menu. Menu item, menu navigation custom, menu button. Jeremy, can you order your shit together? Camera, Jeremy. And the message is here. Ah no, message is the one we just did. What the fuck? Ah, menu, Jeremy. So we have our content here. And right now, I think what the mistake I'm doing. Menu view here. I think the mistake I'm doing, yes, it's exactly this one. That's exactly this one. Tram the developer. So here, instead of that, if I'm passing this, I know this one is menu developer, so that's right. Content. Let's give it a try. I think it should work. No, it doesn't. So the title, I'm just picking up the wrong one, right? Menu view, that's the one. Here we go. But this is not working. That's weird. This is not working. So the menu view. Let's order a bit our shit. Okay, menu view is here, and the default one is here. Maybe I should do this. No, it's not working. So it should really pass the string. But why am I losing the formatting? That's weird. Yeah, this is completely broken. That's maybe why because if I'm putting here this is really annoying. I have an idea. I did some other enum. I'm not used to do it, so every time I need to check. Oh, this is not. Where the fuck did I put an enum already? Ah, here. Enum content. Developer. Copyright. I cannot do this? No. What else about? And I think for now we are good. It's completely wrong here. There is multiple contents, yeah. Okay. Case dot about no copyright. Okay. Default as usual. Fucking god, what the fuck is happening there? Oh fuck. Okay. It's exactly what I was thinking at the beginning. What the fuck am I doing? Ah no, I'm stupid. So this is what we are returning. Music is over. I don't know what to play, guys. Suspense. Not relaxing. There is a focus thing or something. No. I think I understand what I'm doing wrong. Because we are defining a type here. Okay? But this is not localized, it should be a topic. No, the topic is... Maybe if I'm doing... topic. No. A string. And this is returning a string actually. And I'm switching the topic. Case dot developer. No, because I'm switching the topic. Case developer return this. Case copyright return this. Case about return this, and default so you're going away and you are the content here. If I'm not with the topic coming from topic. No. Coming from topic. Plus 5 minutes to the, no. The break has started by itself, but fuck it. I want to check if this is working. Correct. Replace content by topic. Okay, and I should probably change it to in the menu here, because this is no longer content but topic. And the topic here is about. Topic here is developer. In here, copyright. Let's build and run. Oh. There is a missing thing here. Good. Oh. Okay, so we have our stuff here, except... Well, let's take a break before. And I'm gonna try to change this floating music, which is not enough euphoric laid back. What is laid back? What time is it for you? It's super late, no? Because for me it's like 9 a.m. already. But for you it's probably super late, right? Papa Bean, I mean. Not really late? I don't know what time is it. 1 a.m. for me, as an old man like I am. It's super late, man. Bon, now stuff doesn't work. And fuck the break. Yeah, I'm seeing this. I did the same. Huh? It took me a while to understand that my sleeping time was too important. Okay, so this is returning our string here. Maybe in that case, localized string. I'm just gonna do it for this one. Like 2-3 weeks where I am good boy, but then I really it's tricky. I know the feeling. It's changing when after a while when I'm really looking. Oh, fucking god, and it's killing again the Markdown. Maybe I have an idea. Formatted content. That's a lot of things, but if I'm transforming this like this, and here formatted content, boom. What the fuck is this song? Fuck! Can I try this? Hey, DHD! Nice to see you here! Fuck! Well, I think I cannot have a localized string formatted with Markdown. the string with Markdown. I'm working on an app. I've started. Thank you. I thought about it during my train between Amsterdam and Paris, because I'm a kind of weird guy who would like to know how fast the train is going. Attribute string, try blah 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 blah. Anyway, sorry, I've started this project on the train, because after downloading like one or two apps, check to read the GPS speed more or less, I found them super ugly. Will be rendered with Markdown formatting. This render Markdown properly. Dot init. And as you know, I'm coding too, ADHD. I'm doing design by day and a bit of development. I released my first app 2 years or 3 years ago. I don't remember. The second version. Oh yes! Victory! I think I have something for this. Yeah. Thanks for this. So I picked up the same stuff that you're doing with session, and I'm experimenting the sessions during my daily job, and I like it a lot because I have kind of a focus problem. I'm talking to you, ADHD. What's your name, actually? I forgot your name. I saw your name somewhere and I forgot it. Sorry, I'm completely going away of the main. Yeah, I know. Shannon, yeah, Shannon, thanks. I forgot your name. And it's super nice. And my sound is... the tricky part of using eCam for streaming is, and Xcode at the same time, that my CPU is like high right now, and eCam doesn't like this at all when picking up the sound from the computer. And that's what's happening when you're hearing kind of a creeping sound. So we have our stuff here and our stuff here. That's great. For you, ADHD, I'm working on this app. So this is how it's looking when you're having a proper movement of the GPS and speed reading. This is like when you want to keep the speed, and I have something, I cannot see it here, but if I'm running the code, so I'm gonna show you the demo. So location, freeway drive, down. So the GPS is the phone is moving. It's just starting. This is the position of the user. You can see the map full screen. Well, here we are in the US, so sadly there is no trains in the US, or less than in Europe. So because I have a dedicated map showing the train lines on the map. This is using Mapbox like it is written here. Anyway, and then you have the thing, and I'm working right now on a weird post. I'm gonna post it on my website about metrics and how we can, as a designer and as a developer, let the user make the choice of the units they want to display. Because it's a bit weird right now what's happening. Everyone is displaying metric based on the font settings, but I think we shouldn't make the choice for the user of which metrics we should display. So related to the metrics of the phone here, if I'm in imperial units, I'm offering the user to display metrics, and if the phone is in metrics, I'm offering the user to display imperial units. And it's just a toggle, and you're switching between both. And I'm working on an article about this because there is like thousands of way to handle this, and I think we really shouldn't display. Make the choice for the user. It's wrong. It's really wrong. Oh, this is working. Amazing. Bon, that was the purpose of it. You see a trend line here. And it's of course working in light in dark mode and dark mode. Anyway, there is a compass mode that cannot show on the but this is turning here, but on the simulator I cannot show it. If you want to test it, because it's available on test flight, everything is on the Discord. You can just, or on my, I think I shared it on Twitter too, I'm not sure. I don't remember what I'm doing. And when you're adding a speed, you're just tapping on it and boom, you have a small feedback here and the speed has been added. I think we're in Belmont right now. No, it's not the one. It's not the one. It's not the one. Ah, camera is off. This is the one. The second part for me will be to format a bit this better because it's not looking good right now. And also to be able to order this by the time when you pick that up. Anyway, I'm not yet there. But it's working well and looking as I would like it to look. So that's great. And we solved our menu problem, which is fantastic. And the sub view on the menu sub views. Menu sub view. I'm not sure that I like this playlist. I can even say that I don't like it. Where the fuck is it? Here. I don't like when it's singing. I'm the kind of guy. Oh, the Chronicle of Sun. Perfect. Suddenly, he decided in the middle of a stream to change the music. Does the audience will like it or not? Stay tuned. On Mr. B is doing a design and code session. Okay, we are good. And now this is dead formatting. Boom, done. Feedback animation speed, done. What a productive morning. List view empty state, it's not done at all. Markdown, bug, boom. Fix all markdown content, boom. Find a way to remote content, maybe. No, but I'm gonna remove this. Well, I'm gonna create another issue for this. Label feature. Help wanted. and milestone 2.0, because I'm not sure this is going to happen. Markdown bug. Close. What is this for? Well, okay, this one I really need to deep dive on this, but I don't think I'm gonna do this on stream because it's super complicated for me. Small screens. Let's play a bit with small screens and run this on the iPhone SE. Oh, there is a map bug. But I have the same on it's working well. It's just a simulator that is weird sometimes. It's not loading the thing. You need to force it and then it's working. Yeah, I don't know why. Alors, small screens. Well, for now we have everything except that this is a bit annoying, but I'm not seeing this. Maybe the top padding could be adjusted a bit. Ouais. How this is looking. Okay. How can I change this? That's the tricky part, because you cannot like specify. I can specify the screen height. Maybe that's the way I should do it. Screen height. Screen height on the compass or before the compass? No, I think it should be on my map view. Yeah, here we go. Now does the preview is working on this view? Come on, Xcode. Oh. What do we have? We have settings and color scheme. But that's it, huh, man. What the fuck are you? That's so funny. The message. Oh fuck. Okay. I'm gonna do this old school. Picture. Do we have something here? Yeah. So how I'm gonna calculate this is to pick up this size and iPhone SE this size. And So the size of this one is 844. 844, and this one thanks for joining, thanks for the follow, Papa Bean. I wish you a great night, and I'm usually posting the replay of this not only on Twitch but also on YouTube, so if you will see it on the Discord because you joined the Discord. Tomorrow morning it will be available also here on YouTube. Thanks, and have a great night, and good luck for the React learning. So we have this, okay? Calculator. So 844. Moins, minus. No, I know how I'm going to do this. Easier. So 84. 10% of the screen. 84. Okay. Oh, this is not looking good. I'm picky with that. That's how I'm gonna do this. This one now. 66. Yeah, I can do it manually actually. I'm just realizing now. 66. So if I'm cutting this by 10, that's the time of the break. If I'm cutting this number by removing 10, no, dividing, sorry, this number, the screen size by 10, this is how it looks. So this is not enough. This is not enough for the iPhone SE. This is a really annoying size. I don't know how to solve this, to be honest. Without targeting, I don't even know if we can target font sizes. I'm not sure about that. After, I'm not expecting a lot of people to use the iPhone SE, but we never know. And it's not up to me to choose which size these guys should use. But it's already 9:30. Should probably stop streaming now, actually. Should I? That's a good question. No. And fuck the break. Breathe. So divided by 10, it's not enough. But it's enough for the iPhone 13. That's the tricky part. So if I'm going back here. Oh, that's really not enough. It's even worse than before. if I'm cutting by 15, it's probably too much. Oh no, that's exactly the same than before. And now it looks on the iPhone 13. It's okay, but it can go up. 18. iPhone 13 first. It can go up still. 20. Okay. iPhone SE. Oof. Ah, it's not moving up anymore. I'll wait a bit because this stack is aligned on the center, that's why. But I shouldn't even put a padding, right? How it looks without it. Because it's more an offset. Well, if I'm playing with offset, it's gonna be a nightmare, so yeah. So without the padding on iPhone SE is okay. iPhone 13. Ah, here we go. That's why I put a bit of padding. Ah, I know. I know. Alors, first the compass view. This stack, frame, padding. No, I'm not gonna do it like this. Yeah, definitely. Just realizing this now. Is more than this. It was 25, right? Or 20. Else Boom. Ah, stop. And here, dynamic padding, boom. That's it. If the size is more than we have our padding, yeah. And on iPhone SE, we shouldn't have any padding actually. After I can do it with a boolean. Paf! Perfect. And I think I'm gonna do the same with this one. Yeah, I should. What I'm gonna do? This is gonna be good, a good one. Where are my constants? Here. Dynamic padding for smaller screen. Static. No, I cannot do this. Var dynamic padding is a boolean if self dot screen height is this, return false. Attends. No, it's true. Ouais, true. Else return false. Cannot be used on instance of constant. Oh, fuck. Ah bon? Ah, good. Okay. So now it means that I can reuse where the sound is again going weird. I'm gonna remove this. No, because I need this. So the bottom padding here. Yeah. Dynamic constant. Dynamic padding. If it's true, it means that we have padding, right? Yes. Screen height else 0. Okay. Let's see if it's working. It doesn't. Instance member dynamic padding be used on type constant. I cannot display. This is annoying. Are you more happy like this? No, you cannot. Fuck. I know how I'm gonna do this. I should do the same. Fuck. What the fuck is happening? I should rename this. Okay. So if our screen height here is more than stuff, we are returning true, okay? Otherwise it's false. Why? If yeah, I want the value of it. You want this, you mean? Fucking god. Did you mean to use the value of this type instead? Yes. What am I doing wrong here? This is funny. Is it because it's not computed like it shouldn't be? It should work, right? Okay, what if I'm doing this in a different way? Cannot convert value of type CG float to expected condition type bool. This is funny. Oh, it's becoming annoying. And can I do it? Because I don't like to have stuff all over the place. Okay. Now here, this is fucking annoying. No, but I cannot do this, it's stupid. I have an idea. Okay. So here the dynamic padding is equal to dynamic padding with a divider. Fucking god. It's constant or? Ah yeah, it's a constant. Sorry for the camera. Fuck. What's wrong here? Oh fucking god! This is becoming super annoying. And now? Oh putain! Oh my gosh. So it works on the small one. So now I have a padding only with this value. So I'm dividing the size of the screen by the divider. And if the screen is too small, it's returning 0. Point. Like they are saying in Dutch. Point. No, punt, sorry. And what I'm gonna do, because I have the same stuff with the menu here, exactly 64, I'm gonna do exactly the same. Dynamic padding with no, give me, oh, bon, too late. I'm gonna try 25 too, because I have no clue. Alors, 25 looks too small, but I want first to check if it's work. No, because 24, so it means 15. No, it's 64. 64, so 8 now. Is it not enough? 12. 60. So it's 30. Then it should work. Yes, here, iPhone SE. Well, that's the tricky part with the iPhone SE, because I'm not sure. It should be 0. Yeah. I have an idea. I'm gonna add another stuff here, divider and active, which is a bool. So if the screen height is like this and active is false, I should be able to do it this way, right? Why? We are doing this. Else if we are our constant, the screen height the same and is not active, we are turning 0. Boom. No, Jeremy. I cannot do this. First, it's not dollar. I cannot do this. Yes, let me explain what I'm trying to achieve. Or no, but it's gonna do the same. Let me check. So for the top one, we will have this, and we will have false. Then it's returning this. Okay. No, it was true what I'm doing. No. That's wrong, Jeremy. Or active. Okay. You're returning this. Otherwise, boom. Well, I'm not sure that it's gonna work, but fuck. And here, false. Boom. Yeah. And I'm going to stop here. Can you build the fucking stuff? Seriously? Oh, it's looking great on this one. And on this one. this one. That's amazing, right? And now let me check how it's performed on bigger screen like the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And after we are gonna be done. That's amazing, right? I need to do it the same for the location. I don't know what's happening with the fucking simulator. This is weird. This is super weird. Perfect. Well, music stopped. I'm gonna just add or restart this one actually. Killing the simulators to have a bit of memory. And we will have, here we go, here, dynamic padding. Calculate or return 0 based on the size of the screen, the height of the screen actually. Alright, function. That's a good one, huh? That's a good one. I'm going to finish session. I'm going to push this, I think, as a release. If you want to test the app, just go to the Discord and you will have a test flight invite. I think I posted it also on Twitter, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't recall what I did. And that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, I will push a version this morning, and it will be ready in a couple of hours, I guess. If you're watching the replay on YouTube tomorrow morning, please follow the channel, give it a thumb, because it's helping the channel to grow with YouTube algorithms. And that's it. Next stream will be next Tuesday morning, same time, less, of course, shorter than today. It's a bit exceptional today. And that's it. And on Thursday, I think we are back to normal next week in thermal schedule, which is Tuesday and Thursday morning. I wish you a great day if you're starting your day, a great night, green night. What the fuck is a green night? A great night if you're going to bed. See you next time. Cheers. Thanks, Shannon, for joining. See you.